the channel. Today we are in Jongksha and we're gonna go to a waterfall. It's not sunny but it's not raining, so that is a good sign. I hope you will enjoy this another trek with us. Let's go! How are you feeling today?
Great.
So this is our very good friend Misan. He is from Nongjong and we actually met him when we went to Nongjong. He took us all over the place and he is the best guide you could ever find. If you want to go to Nongjong, I will leave his Instagram in the description below and you can just hit him up.
Thank you so much, Meba.
And we are going to
Nongkadu Falls, and then hope you'll be having a great time with me along with your friends.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go! The wind is so nice. The waterfall is right there. Now we're gonna go down. He's stuck there. I'm stuck here hanging on to this tree. Now this is what was so unexpected. Where are we going now?
Now we are going to Seisik Falls. It takes only like 20 minutes.
How do you feel about the weather?
The weather is so romantic.
So guys, there is the waterfall. I'm just kidding, it's that one. Let's go. Waiting for the rain to stop. Hopefully it will. Weather is super unpredictable. Rain is here, but sun is also here. It's cloudy that side. Feeling wet. Feeling wet. We are now going to go down. Okay, the progress. Let's hope the sun will dry us up. You've been kissed by a girl, but you've been sun-kissed. Okay, now we'll have to climb back up, all the way up there. It finally stopped raining. The sky is clear once again. I don't understand this weather at all, but we're all drenched. Sun is out! Yay! Let's hope it doesn't go down again. And right now we're waiting for the sunset. There we have our first model, photographer, second model, third model. Wait, third model. So guys, that is the end of our video. It was a long, hectic day. We got so wet, pun intended. And now we're gonna go back home. It's been a great day. The company is what matters in the end, and we had lots of fun. We hope you enjoyed our video, and if you did, please do
Like, subscribe, and share, and also comment. Bye!
Bye!